Welcome back. I hope everyone is having a great weekend. I am going to be talking with you about the best Walgreens deals going on this week. Pretty proud of myself because I'm getting this video done before my son's last performance. So I got it done. I didn't get all of the food matchups done, but I'm going to share the best deals that I found. I'm going to share clearance deals that I found in store, clearance deals that I found online. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out and in turn helps you guys out. One way it helps you out is that more companies will reach out to me and offer exclusive discounts for my followers. So speaking of that, I do have some discounts that I want to share with you from a company that I've gotten some items at in the past and then just ordered some items recently. So check this out real quick. All right, you guys, I have an awesome sale to share with you. If you remember a while ago, I ordered a few pieces from Ana Luisa Jewelry. I want to do a quick follow-up on those as well as share some of the new pieces that I got because they're having an awesome holiday sale right now. You can save up to 35% off. They're already affordable prices. If you remember, last time I ordered 5 different pieces and truly loved them all. I'll pop them up here on the screen so you can see them. They're still some of my go-to pieces for everyday wear and they're holding up really well. That's why I like to do this follow-up to tell you, like, are they still doing a good job? Love the jewelry still. They're tarnish resistant and Ana Luisa has a 2-year warranty on all of their products. So let me share with you the pieces I got this time. I got this necklace here and I'll pop it up bigger on the screen. As always, their jewelry ships free anywhere in the United States. They also do exchanges if for some reason you needed to exchange a piece. I also got, y'all know I like dainty jewelry. I like small jewelry best. I got this piece here. I'll link everything down in the description box. That way you can see which pieces I got. And I'll also try to remember to drop it in the comment section as well. And so then I got this silver drop necklace. They always come in these nice little pouches, and I actually keep these pouches because I use them when I travel. I recently went to a holiday party and ended up staying, or planned to stay, the night at the hotel there, and I used Ana Luisa jewelry for the party as well as used the little packs to travel with. Okay, so based on the pictures that I show you, I want to know which one is your favorite this time, but even more importantly, if you've already ordered from them, please share your experience as well down in the comments because I love it when you guys help each other out. Like I said, they're having a huge holiday sale right now. Like you buy 2 pieces, you get 25% off. You buy 3, you can get up to 35% off. If for some reason you're only ordering 1 piece, you can still score 20% off using the code SAVINGWithChristina20. All right, so if any of you are curious, the opera has been an amazing experience. I'm so proud of my son. I'm hoping this last performance is the best one. The last is always my favorite, and I hope he can just soak up every last moment of enjoying being on the stage with the professionals that he got to work with. Such a unique and wonderful experience. Okay, let's talk about in-store clearance that I found. Okay, in-store clearance. These got to be hair dyes are $3.29 on clearance. Now, there is a $3 Ibotta offer. Okay, so you pay $3.29 for each. You're going to get $3 back on each of them on Ibotta. But there's also a $1 Ibotta bonus. So you won't just get $6 back. You'll get $7 back on Ibotta, making it free and a 42-cent moneymaker. What did I get? I didn't even pay attention. Smoky Violet or Cosmic Teal. So let me know, do you want me to be Smoky Violet or Cosmic Teal in the next video? Or maybe just not use these and take it as a small moneymaker. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on that. Now, online clearance. There's a lot of stuff online clearance right now. One of the deals is on the Kristen S hair products. So this product right here was the cheapest one that I could find. This one was the next cheapest. So this is a curl defining cream. This is a curl repair mask. Not only are they on clearance, they're buy one, get one half off. And there's also a $3 digital. So if you bought two of the least expensive ones, it would total you $4.93. Minus that $3 coupon, it would be $1.93 for both, or just 96 cents each. I paid just a tad bit more because I wanted to try the curl repair mask because I do have curly hair and I'm excited to try out these products. Now, I noticed a ton of clearance on the hair care aisle and on a lot of the professional products like the It's a 10, and I'm blanking on the names of the others, but they will all be in pictures at the end of this video. So check that out so you know what to look for in store. Okay, now the rest of the items I did in store because there are some register reward deals that are only going to work in store. So let's talk about the Crest and Oral-B deal. I'm going to tell you a couple different ways it could work. These products are both $3. Okay, so you buy two of them, that's $6. There is a $3 digital coupon that would come off. You would pay $3. You would get back a $3 register reward, making them both free. However, if you don't have that $3 clipped, check and see if you have a $2 for the toothbrush and a $2 for the toothpaste, because that would make it an even better deal. $6 in products, $4 in coupons. You would pay $2, get back a $3 register reward, making them both free, and a $1 moneymaker. But for your moneymaker, it's still a great deal. Now, the Tide, Bounce, Gain, Downy products are $5.49 each. They are buy four, get a $5 register reward. Now check your digital coupons because there are digital coupons for Gain, there's digital coupons for the Downy, and there's digital coupons for the Bounce. So it would be cheaper if you buy the items that there are digital coupons for. I just wanted the Tide. Sadly, I did not have coupons for that one. So $5.49 for each of them, getting back a $5 register reward. You would pay $16.96 or $4.24 each. Now, like I said, check those digital coupons. You can also check pggoodeveryday.com because they likely have coupons as well. So you could use some digital, some print to get you the lowest cost on the items that you actually want. Now, the Tide Simply products are even cheaper. They are four for $10. So that makes them $2.50 a piece. Just super simple deal there. Now, the ginger ale, I was going to do this curbside, but it was not ringing up the correct price curbside. These are in the weekly ad, 3 for $10.99 this week, but online it was still showing 3 for $13.98, I believe. So I went into the store to make sure it was actually $10.99. It was tagged $10.99. It did ring 3 for $10.99 in the store, but there is a $1 digital coupon, so you get 3 for $9.99, which is an even better price. Now, how I did the spend 40, get 10, remember that is a monthly deal. Everyone has it. It is multi-use. So I got the ginger ale, the 4 Tide, the Oral-B Crest, and then I picked up this Persil. That's what I did for my spend 40, get 10. Hold that thought because I just realized I didn't tell you about the Persil because I couldn't see it over here. The Persil, which I know a lot of you love, it's my favorite detergent. It is $5.99. There's a $2 digital, so you'll pay $3.99 at the register, get $1 back. That makes it $2.99 for this product. Okay, now let's flip back to that spend 40, get 10. Persil, Tide, ginger ale, and the Crest products. I spent $37.94 after coupons. Okay, after the coupons I've already told you about, I spent $37.94. I got back 10 for spending 40. I got back the $5 register reward for the Tide. I got back the $3 register reward for the Crest. I got back the $1 register reward for the Persil, making it $18.94 for all of those items, including the ginger ale, which I would have bought because we just ran out of ginger ale. So not a bad deal. Now, other deals that you might want to check out. The Nivea Men is $5 for the body wash. There's a $2 digital coupon. You would want to do this curbside because there is a code Nivea, it'll take $5 off what they say a $15 purchase, but it was not coming off when I put 3 of those in my cart. It only came off when I put 4 of them in my cart. So put 4 of the Nivea Men at $5 in your cart. Use the $2 digital, use that code Nivea. You'll pay $13, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $8 for all 4 or $2 each. Now, if you don't want to buy 4 of them, you could buy 1 of the men's and 2 of the women's. Your final cost would drop to $1.66 each for 3 of them. Now, the Walgreens branded items are buy one, get one free. The least expensive would be that mesh sponge for the shower. Buy 2 at $2. They're buy one, get one free. That makes them $1 a piece. The complete home bags are on sale this week. Buy 1, get 2 free. So you get 3 of them for $4.99. I found some online clearance for cologne and perfume, buy 1, get 1 free, but they were also marked down. So it was $6.99 for both of them. I found clearance for Energizer batteries, $3.89 minus $1 digital. You'd pay $2.89. You can do that curbside or you can have it shipped to you. The Nexus, I had a $5 digital for Nexus in my coupons this morning, and I noticed some Nexus on clearance for $4.79, so you could do that for a curbside or online order. Same thing with the Shea Moisture. I had a $6 digital. I was finding clearance items between $3.49 and $3.79, which would make those 49 cents to 79 cents each after that coupon came off. I'm still seeing that olive oil at $1.49 on clearance, so you might want to check that out as well. Now, also, the WAG 10 code was still working for me, but when I was online this morning, I noticed there was another code, PICKUP15, that should be working on pickup orders of $20 or more. So there are a couple of codes that you can try out. I think that was everything that I wanted to chat with you about. If you're finding other awesome deals, let me know. I know there was a special register reward for Procter & Gamble, $5 when you spend at least $15. I was hoping both the $5 register reward for buying 4 and the 5 for spending $15 would print on these tides, but it didn't. I just got the 5 for spending, or 5 for buying 4 of them. The other $5 register reward would not print. If you find a deal where they're double dipping and printing both, let us know down in the comments. And don't forget, seriously, that Ana Luisa jewelry is some of my favorite. I wear it all the time. I wore it to my son's show on Friday. Probably wearing one again today. I haven't decided what I'm wearing. But definitely check it out for yourself or for gifts for someone else. And I will drop the link to that jewelry down in the comments as well as the description box down below. Y'all have a fabulous week. Oh, I forgot. My Secret Santa gift exchange, that video is going to release tomorrow, Monday, but it's also a giveaway video. So definitely check that out. Tomorrow, it's going to drop around 2 o'clock Central Time. All right, y'all have a great week. Thanks.